The sound of SH in English. Hey there, English learners. Today, let's talk about the sound SH, like in, show. Quiet. When you see S and H together, it usually sounds like a soft SHH sound. Let's look at some words: ship, she, shirt, fish, shoes. Phrase examples: the ship is sailing. She is wearing a new shirt. I bought new shoes today. Do you like fish and chips? Pro tip: don't confuse SH with CH. They sound different. SH like shy, CH like chair. Now you know SH sound in English. Practice your SH words in the comments and don't forget to follow for more pronunciation tips.